Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Hussar P121 from Ruike Knives. First of all, I want to say that I paid for this knife with my own funds, and I have no relationship with the manufacturer. So what we have here is a liner lock flipper with G10 handles. I have a blade length of 3.58 inches as measured from the tip of the blade to the frontmost portion of the handle scales, and that's 91 millimeters. Have a weight of 4.5 ounces or 128 grams. The blade stock is approximately 3.5 millimeters, and it's Sandvik 14C28N steel. I really like Sandvik 14C28N. In my experience, it's quite corrosion resistant, and I haven't had any issues with it corroding in my pocket. Whereas with S30V, I've had issues with it corroding in my pocket. Blade retention is good. You cannot shake it out. The detent is on the weak side though. And if you intentionally try to fail the deployment, it's very easy to do that. But I think in normal use that you'll get full deployment most of the time if you just put adequate pressure on the flipper tab. The ergonomics are quite good. I really don't have any complaints. You have a relatively neutral handle here, which is a shallow choil at the front for your first finger. The edges are chamfered. As for the carry, you have a deep carry pocket clip constructed of stainless steel. It works quite well. I haven't had any issues with it. The screws themselves are not recessed, but I didn't have any trouble with my pants being able to get all the way up in there. And I had no issues with this clip causing the knife to become trapped in my pocket like I do with some deep carry pocket clips. The handle is a bit thicker than average. It measures 0.61 inches thick. I tend to prefer thinner handles for carry, just because they sit flatter in your pocket. If I bring in another knife for comparison, this is a real steel Archangel, and you can see it's quite a bit thinner than the Ruike Hussar P121. But whether that's an issue for you is really personal preference. The price on this guy is excellent. You can find them new for under $30. I paid $20 for this one used. So overall, it's a very solid knife for the price. The blade steel is excellent. Ergonomics are good. It's just, for me, it's just an issue whether you like the chunkiness of the handle. The handle this way is pretty slim. You can see, this is a standard Bic glider. The handle disappears behind a standard Bic glider, so it's not very high this way. Okay, I think that sums it up. If you could do me a favor and like and subscribe to my channel, I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye now.